So hello YouTube. After extensive efforts of 2 days, I finally built the subwoofer enclosure for this subwoofer Ground Zero GZTW 12 MK2. I brought it for home audio project because it has FS of 22 Hz. This is a enclosure. Please ignore the aesthetics. I tried to make it as good as possible. I am going to use it on this mono amplifier, subwoofer amplifier, and this is how the box looks. Aero port filled with polyfill because VAS for this subwoofer is 180 liters, but this is a 2 cubic feet 120 liters box, so that's why I filled the polyfill. Also, I wanted to reduce the sound waves to achieve better lower frequency. I love the slow decap bass. Right now this enclosure is tuned to 25 Hz. After this polyfill I expect it to go down till 20 Hz. So now I will install it and then let's have the demo. Hello YouTube, finally I installed the subwoofer. I converted the existing table into a subwoofer enclosure as I said before. I hope it looks good. And this is an initial test. I played some decaf sounds and trust me guys, this thing bangs very well. Only thing is I didn't expected I will have some port noise, but even though port is pretty big for the box, but still I'm having some port noise. That is because this subwoofer moves hell lot of air. I wasn't expecting this. Let me play some other song. So I just installed it. First impressions, let me tell you, this thing is awesome. I'm getting pretty similar bass like JBL 5.1. It had a 10-inch subwoofer, and that was also 300 watt RMS. And this sub is reproducing little better bass than that JBL. Only thing is, I think it needs a bigger box and bigger port, because the VAS of this sub is around 180 liters. That's why. Also note that I have filled this enclosure with polyfill, and this is a 120 liters enclosure right now. Not too small, but still I can hear the lot of port noise. Maybe because my EQ is set only on bass, and these tiny speakers cannot match with this 12-inch subwoofer. So that was my first impression. I am really excited to test it more. Please stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned, live loud.